trouble, and I was very concerned for her very life, and I wrote her this song called Bird Uncaged. Earlier on you heard a song about a lazy bird, and this one's a bird uncaged.
Cool. Look at the lighting effect I'm getting off of here. That reflection. It's cool.
She's a bird uncaged. Listen to her sing, don't you touch her feathers, don't you go messing with her wings. She's a bird uncaged. Listen to her sing, don't you touch her feathers, don't you go messing with her wings. She took a pledge of flight, flew almost out of sight. Seems like 1,000 years ago now, where she stops and nobody knows. She took a pledge in flight, flew almost out of sight. Seems like 1,000 years ago now, where she stops nobody knows. A bird on the wing is a beautiful thing, but a bird in a cage soon forgets how to sing. A bird on the wing is a wonderful thing, but what good is the scout of a bird that can't fly? Ain't no turning back, gotta keep this chick on track. It ain't where the feather falls no more. When the storm comes rolling in, she spreads her wings into the wind. It's kinda like she's been there before. A bird on the wing is a beautiful thing, but a bird in a cage soon forgets how to sing. A bird on the wing is a wonderful thing, but what good is the scout of a bird that can't fly? She's a bird uncaged. Listen to her sing, don't you touch her feathers, don't you go messing with her wings.
I'm rusty, but
Willie.
that was awesome. I'm Shannon. I'm just call me rusty.
Rusty, that sounded fabulous. Thank you. Shannon. Formerly NW.